football lovers. Welcome to my family. Today I'm going to update you about Kaizer Chiefs youngest player, Mohamed Kouyaté. Orlando Pirates have announced that an agreement has been reached for Mohamed Kouyaté to sign with Al Athletic in Saudi Arabia pending a medical and personal term. The move is subject to a 20-year-old agree to personal terms and passing a medical. Kouyaté said, as I close this chapter of my life, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to Coach Mandla Gokki and Policy Ngomezu. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to fulfill my dream. You believed in me and gave me the platform to grow, said Mohan Gota. For more football updates, kindly subscribe to my channel.